Good morning, students. Today we read the poem A Prayer for My Daughter, composed by W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats' full name was William Butler Yeats. Famous poems The Second Coming and Easter 1916. Must remember the full name of William Butler Yeats. And collection of poems The Wandering of Orison and other poems. Famous poem The Second Coming also. This poem published 1921. When was this poem published? This poem was published in 1921. Nobel Prize. In 1923, he got a Nobel Prize and finally he died on 20th January 1939. A Prayer for My Daughter have 10 stanza with 8 lines, 80 lines. Poem published in 1921. This poem published in collection of poem in This poem have 10 stanza with 8 lines. This poem published in the collection of poems Michael Roberts and the Dancer. Poet's daughter's name Annie. Both spellings are right. Poet feels sad. Why? Because of the World War I and Dublin Rebellion. Writer feels sad because the World War I. Now these are very important questions. By these points we can prepare introduction of the poem or poet, and by these points, by these notes, we can answer the short questions. Okay, next a long question. Critical appreciation of the poem. Critical appreciation of the poem. Okay, when we start to write long question, then we should write introduction. In introduction we can use these points. जब हम इंट्रोडक्शन लिखेंगे तो हम इन सब पॉइंट्स को इसमें यूज कर सकते हैं और करेंगे ही. A Prayer for My Daughter is one of Yeats' most celebrated poem. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन में हम ये सब चीज बताएंगे. It was occasioned by the sight of his infant girl on a stormy day. Students remember, ये पोएम पोइट ने कब लिखी थी? 1923 में, 1921 में हमने देखा था ये पोएम पब्लिश हुई थी. बट दीज पॉइंट्स आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. He begot his eldest child, a daughter, in January 1919. One day, a few weeks after her birth, a storm howled outside his house in the old Norman tower called Thur Belly. Okay? Thur Belly is also a short question. Okay? Next, our second point, theme. Theme of the poem. Theme of the poem, central idea of the poem, and subject matter of the poem, both are similar. Synonym of. Okay, in theme what we write? The poem is an elaborate lyric of 8 lines. Okay, the poem is an elaborate lyric of 8 lines. 8 lines है इसमें. It has been divided into 10 stanza of 8 verse each. Okay, 80 lines as I already say. The reference is indirectly to Mordgon, cruelty of the poet's love. स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसका समरी पढ़ेंगे और समरी में देखेंगे कि हु वॉज मॉडगॉन. मॉडगॉन वॉज पोएट्स पास्ट बिलव्ड एंड उसकी जो क्रूलिटी थी उससे पोएट बहुत ज़्यादा शॉक्ड होते हैं और उन्होंने ये पोएम लिखी और उन्होंने वो सब बातें अपनी बेटी में न हो वो सब चीज़ें देखते हैं कि इस क्रूलिटी वाले वर्ल्ड में उनकी बेटी किस तरह से सेफ रहेगी. ओके. The poem is marked by a strong protective attitude. There is uncertainty. Yes, must remember, there is uncertainty in the world outside. The future appears to be equally uncertain. Everything is uncertain. Okay, students? Everything is uncertain. So, in theme, poet also says the poet prays for the future. The poet prays for the future well-being and happiness of his darling daughter. He wishes that she should have beauty, but not that overmuch beauty which makes woman vain and cruel. ओके, कि उसकी बेटी ब्यूटीफुल तो हो पर इतनी ब्यूटीफुल नहीं कि जो उसको क्या करे, क्रूल बना दे. ओके. एंड द पोएट ऑल्सो विश हर टू बी मैरिड इन ए aristocratic family. In which family he want to marry his daughter? In aristocratic family of traditional. Okay, must remember this also. The poet wants that his daughter should be free from all hatred. उस पोएट ये भी चाहते हैं कि उनकी बेटी किसी भी तरह की उस बेटी के मन में द्वेष वाली भावना न हो. एंड poet also thinks that his daughter can remain innocent if she is free from the hatred, and the poet wishes her to be married in an aristocratic family. The poet is manifesto. Must remember, students, the poet is manifesto. The poem is manifesto is of W.B. Yeats' personal ideals about old days of settled with a home and established status. The word ceremony is keyword in Yeats and in the book of courtesy. Okay, students. Next, imagination, imagery. इमेजरी इस पोएम में हम देखते हैं कि इमेजरी कहाँ कहाँ दिखाई देती है हमें. इमेजरी ऑफ द पोएम बिगिंस विद द इमेज ऑफ द विंड. ओके. एंड Yeats फोकस हिज पोएम ऑन 2 इमेजेस. पोएट ने इसमें 2 इमेजेस को फोकस किया है. The rich horn of plenty, which associates with courtesy, aristocracy and ceremony, and the hidden laurel tree. Okay, 2 images इसमें पोएट ने इनमें describe की है. Next, metrical form. Students must remember why, because it is necessary. We should know about the introduction of these points. The meter of the poem. Okay, the meter of the poem is iambic. Most of the words are iambic pentameters with an extra syllable at the end of the line, and there. But in some stanzas, some words are also iambic tetrameters. Okay. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, स्ट्रेंजर किस टाइप से है, हमने ये पहले भी देखा है कि कितनी लाइन है, कैसे है, ये सब अगेन आई रिपीट. स्ट्रेंजर, this poem consists of 8 lines. They have been divided into 10 stanza of 8 lines each. The first 4 verse of each stanza make up 2 rhymed couplets, but among the last 4 lines of each, the first verse rhymes with the fourth and the second with third. Remember, first with fourth and second with third. Okay. Diction and style. What is the diction of this poem and what is the style of this poem? The diction of this poem is simple. Okay, simple, urban and literary. The style of this poem is simple, urban and literary. Some words like intellectual, considering, accustomed and ceremony are used in lines. The style of this poem. What is the style? Diction. Diction was in these words: intellectual, considering, accustomed. And the style of this poem. The style of this poem is modern with an undercurrent of romanticism. Okay, what is the style of this poem? Must remember this also. The style of this poem is modern with an undercurrent of romanticism. Okay students, next, conclusion. The poet has you can write what you read in these points, that is conclusion. The poet has modified his views where his hopes for his daughter's life are concerned. He puts out his mind and under to images his daughter living in innocent and beauty, custom and ceremony. Okay students, and also see the word ceremony is keyword in Yeats and in the book of courtesy. Okay, thank you.